Hello and welcome to a rather wet and soggy day here in Nova Scotia in early spring. But I thought I'd take the chance to do one of the jobs that I've been putting off since autumn, and it's one of those jobs that I should be doing because it's the chance to create new plants for free. So I'm next door at my neighbour's garden. It's okay, she's very kindly given me permission, and I'm going to take some hardwood cuttings of these dogwoods here. And I've got the idea of putting them next to the beautiful silver coloured birch that I have in my back garden, and I think in the winter this beautiful red colour that the dogwoods give you will look really great against them. But I haven't got any myself. Bernadine's got them, so she's kindly given me permission. I'm going to take some hardwood cuttings and show you how easily it is to take them and root them. So, as you can see here, I've got this branch here, and what I'm going to do, nice pair of sharp secateurs, I'm going to cut it just below this bud area here. Cut it nice, sharp, just below. And what I would do, is what I will do in a minute, is I can either cut it just about there, just above. In fact, I'll do that now just to show you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it at an angle. And the reason, where am I? Here I am. The reason I'm going to cut it at an angle is because if you're taking 10 or 20 cuttings, stick them all in a bag, when you get back, which way's up and which way's down? So the pointy end is up. So let's have a look at another one. Here's another one here. I'm going to take that just below this cutting line here. I'll take it a bit further up so you can see it. Just about there. All we got to do is just cut these side shoots off. And what I'll do here is just cut it at an angle just above that bud. So there's two. Oh, cut that one off. So I'm just going to take a load more cuttings, and then we'll go back to the my rootery, and I can show you how to root them in. Okay, so there's me, devastated next door neighbour's cornice bush, or dogwood as we call it, and I've got quite a few cuttings here now. I've taken the liberty of chopping a few up already, but I thought I would take another couple just to give you that, to show you what it was. So I basically took the, I cut it just below a bud there, as you can see, and then I want to take it, I want it about a foot long, just above another bud. And remember, I'm going to cut that at an angle, just so I know what's top from bottom. And I've also got a yellow one, which I think goes rather nicely with the red. So what I'm going to do here, I've already cut that one just below a bud, and here we are, just above the next one at an angle. One. I can easily take another one here, so let's get just below a bud, nice sharp cut, just above another one there, trim it off. There we are, one cutting for the use of. Now you can put your cuttings in a container, or if you've got a bed, which I'll show you in a minute, a spare nursery area, you can just put it in there. So you can normally take your hardwood cuttings anywhere from the autumn to early spring, just before they're starting to bud and flower. So yeah, any time in that period. So what we're going to do now is, I'm going to use a bit of rooting compound, the old Horman stuff. I'm just going to, you don't have to use it, I just use it. I'll give your cuttings every chance you can. So give it a quick dip, and then just put it towards the edge of the actual container, and then you want it a good 2/3 deep if you can. good 2/3 deep, so I'm just going to put these all in, all the way round. And you should get at least a good 50% out of this. Which, seeing as it doesn't cost you anything, probably other than a nice cup of tea for next door, for me, or some swap flour, then I think it's, you know, and these are normally, what are they, 10, 15, 20 bucks in the shop, even more for a good shrub. Make sure that's the right way around, obviously, pointy end up. There we go, job's a good one. And if we were going to use, I'll show you now what we'll do with the bed. So here we go, here's a little nursery bed area that I've got, and all I'm going to do again is dip all the cuttings in a bit of a rooting hormone, then nice and deep in, give them about 6 inches in between. Bit of a short one, that one, but you don't want to waste them, might as well use them if you got them. Right way up. And there we go. It's as easy as that. And you can use it for lots of different types of shrubs. Grapes, privet, figs, dogwoods as we said, forsythia. The list is numerous. All you got to do is literally look online for the most shrubs you can that go into a sort of hardwood mode. You can take hardwood cuttings for. So anytime between autumn and winter, clip at the bottom just below a bud, and then just above a bud, about a foot long. Stick them in the ground. Forget about them until the autumn of the next year. That's it. Job's a good one. Easy as that. So what we'll do is revisit these later on in the year, in the autumn sometime, to see which ones have grown and which ones have let me down. Okay, I'm going to do the quick end credit shuffle now. If you like this video, please click like down below wherever you're supposed to click like. Subscribe, or please look at the next videos if you're interested in any of these videos that I've done, and definitely click subscribe. My name is the Optimistic Gardener. See you later.